Hello. Today we will be continuing our Automator video series by taking a look at the Create Activity function in Automator. I've already got my button selected and my Properties window open. To open the Properties window, you go ahead and hit F4 on your keyboard, or you can go to the View menu and then hit the Properties window there and it'll bring it up. Once you have your button selected, under the Properties window, you'll go ahead and under the Data Set, you go ahead and do Button Actions. To the right of that, click in the empty area and you'll have it selected. Go ahead and select the ellipse, and now it opens up the Edit Actions, which is in Automator. New, Create Activity, and then we'll go to the Settings dialog for creating the activity. And this is an activity that, if it's an activity that you always are doing, this is what you'll use it for, because it doesn't, you set these settings up once, hit OK. Once it's saved, anytime you hit that button, it'll create that same activity over and over and over again. So we are going to head and build this button just to remind me to build Automator or make Automator videos. Make a high priority, make sure I see it, so it'll be red. Anchored 0 days. By default, anchored is always going to be the start date. And if you don't have a number of days in that first field there where I put 0, you will get an error message thrown when you try and use that button. Go ahead and do this, use alarm, and use current time. And if this is something that is built into Automator. Blackout dates, unfortunately, I don't have a list of blackout dates, but I believe they are standard American bank holidays are the blackout dates, or just holidays in general as well. You can tell it if it falls, if your activity falls on a blackout date, schedule it before or schedule it afterwards. Kind of like if there it is, or if the activity falls on a weekend. Again, you can set it the preceding Friday. Fill out any of the details you want, and from here, I'm going to go ahead and grab our social media field there in the background. And that is, grabbing a field in any one of those things, in one of the details, is just the left curly brace, field name, right curly brace. It will pull in that information. Hit OK, close this, save, and let's go ahead and test our Automator button. And if I did this right, I should end up with an alarm popping up immediately. And there's my alarm. And we'll jump over the Activities tab set to today. And there's the Automator button, or the Automator button created activity for the day. Thank you for attending. Again, follow us on Facebook at DesignR1 Software. Follow us on Twitter, DesignR1 LLC, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Look forward to the next video.